Hey everyone, I've been reading a bunch about after school restraint collapse, which is basically when our kids come home and they have a complete meltdown because they've been holding stuff in all day and they finally feel safe, they feel like they can relax, and they're crabby and they're tired and they're hungry and they're dehydrated. And I'm certainly guilty of saying like, okay, what do you got for homework? How was your day? What's up? And it's just a little bit too much. It's a little overwhelming when they just really need to decompress and like take a little bit of a break so they can shift gears from school to home. So, if you can just greet them with compassion and love and say, I missed you. I'm so glad you're home. Give them some water, give them a healthy snack, give them some time, maybe some peace and quiet to read or get outside. And another use for Thinky Dinky is in these moments right here where, there's big emotions inside and you're not really sure how to manage them. So on page 21, there is kind of an activity. There's a little space at the bottom for kind of filling in your answers. And the page says, it's okay to feel mad and sad. I will yell into a pillow to get those feelings out. I can go for a long walk or do some exercise. It's okay to cry for a while. And then at the bottom of the page, it cues you to draw a picture of something that you can do to get your feelings out. And so if you've done the work already, if you've already visited that page, that's a place that you can go as a resource to say, okay, oh, that's right. I really like to draw when I feel this way. I'm going to draw a picture. Or I love to just sit at the piano and make sound or, sing a little bit to myself. I like to go out in the backyard and swing. I like to go for a walk. So that can help remind us of what works for us and what makes us feel better.